Bismillah. Hi. Today's video is about what is Industry 4.0 really mean. So in order to understand that, we need to understand what's Industry 3.0. And the best way to describe Industry 3.0 is actually something called the pyramid, where in the base of the pyramid, called the field level, I will find some devices like the motors, the actuators, the sensors, the instrument. So those called the field level devices. And those are connected to the second layer, which is called the control level, where I can find my PLCs and my HMIs. So basically the PLC, it's the computer that will control the field devices. It will read the information from the sensor and send a control signal to the actuator. The next level is called the SCADA level, or the supervisory control and data acquisition. And from its name, this is a level where it's supervised over the process and has a data acquisition, can see what's happening on the field. So this is very helpful in manufacturing, where you can have a real-time view of your manufacture. The next level is called the MES, or the Manufacturing Execution System. This level, 80% of this level nowadays is a paper, but what happened in this level is you are issuing your work order, your manufacturing order, the scheduling of the shift. All that has to do with manufacturing execution is done in this level, and the information will be sent to the floor to get executed to get the production line. The other level is called the Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, and this is a software or bunch of softwares that has from its name, a resource planning for the enterprise, meaning it will have, it will be responsible on the HR, will be responsible on accounting, and will be responsible on the sales. So basically, the ERP system will receive the sales, the orders, and will give this information to the MES system, where the MES system will issue a manufacturing order, and that will go to the plant floor in order to get executed. Now, in some they consider it 3.0, where I can add now cloud to this pyramid, where those software or bunch of softwares of the ERP can live in the cloud, and I don't have to have them on premises, so they can be in the cloud, and I can do some other calculation in the cloud. So basically this is what 3.0 structure is. The only thing that we didn't mention yet, the bottom three layer, the field level, the control level, the SCADA level, those called OT levels, meaning operation technology. While the ERP, the MES, those called the IT level. Give you an example of OT level. The communication in OT level is done through Modbus, RTU, TCP, Profibus, Profinet, hard communication. So those are the protocols that used in the OT, or the operation technology level. The IT level, it's more about the management. So you will see that the IT department is responsible on the communication between the computers in the IT level. In Industry 4.0, the new model for Industry 4.0, we will still have our field devices, we will still have our motors, sensors, valves, all of it, and we will still have our PLCs. And for now, we're still gonna keep the same communication between the PLC and the devices, or the PLC or the HMI. Although with faster communication technology, probably this will be gone, but for now this still will exist. The difference is now we will have something called the Structure 4.0, the Industrial Internet of the Things. So we will have this unified namespace where every device will be connected to this unified namespace and give its data to that unified namespace. So not only the field devices or the control devices, but even the SCADA will be connected to here. What is the benefit? What is the difference? The difference is in Industry 3.0, you will create tags for each your motor sensor, and you will do those tags again to connect it to the SCADA system. In Industry 4.0, once you did the tags and the PLC, it will automatically appear in the SCADA. The SCADA will subscribe to the unified namespace and auto discovery feature. You already have a list of all the PLCs that is connected, all the sensors that connected, all the motors that are connected. And not only that, you can have your MES now connected directly to your unified namespace, your ERP, and even those softwares, and even the IIoT does not have to be on premises. You can put it in the cloud, or you can put it on your local servers. Your MES, your ERP can also be executed in the cloud or in your premises. And now we will start to get the benefit of connecting all of this. We can use the services provided by the cloud services like AWS. I can have, with all this information, I can have to perform some kind of AI or machine learning where I can predict or see where my production is going or where my system is going. And I can connect a warehouse management system. I can connect the databases with a historian so that I can see previous information about any node connected to the unified namespace. So if everything is connected to this structure, that means I don't have to use paper anymore. So my system will go paperless. And basically that's what Industry 4.0 is, going paperless. Every node is connected to your unified namespace, and you will have a way that you change the data to information so that you can use it. And because everything is connected to the unified namespace, I can now have to perform something called just-in-time manufacturing. In 3.0 model, your production line will produce a single object. Meaning, let's take the cars. You will only produce the blue car with some specification. But now, since everything is connected to the unified namespace, the same production line, I can have different objects produced on the same line. Meaning, I can have a red car for customer A with some specification. I can have a blue car with some other specification for customer B. So just-in-time manufacturing, now it's possible because everything is connected. Everything now is node in this unified namespace. I can use AI and machine learning. One simple thing for predictive maintenance, the AI can predict when this device will fail, so that you need to change it, or it can also calculate for you which product is better on which machine, and have a real-time prediction of your system. I can, since now everything is connected, have something called the digital twin. Some they call it cyber physical, meaning since every sensor is connected, I can have a model of my production on the computer. And not only just for monitoring, but also for simulation or for training. So this is possible because everything is now a node in the unified namespace. And the idea of IT and OT, now they will come together to they call it IT-OT convergence, mean there is no more IT and OT, everything should be now connected together. So basically this is what Industry 4.0 is, and as Walker Reynolds said, Industry 3.0 is all about automating the manufacturing. Industry 4.0, it's all about automating the business. I hope you benefit from this video. See you in the next one.